Tell Week today. I'm pretty excited about that. It's a program I've wanted to do for about the last 10 years, but I've been too afraid to sign up. I've been too afraid to sign up because I didn't think I had the strength or the endurance or maybe the stability to do the program. Well, I was wrong because I finished the first week today. I had a 30-pound vest on and I was able to achieve my goals. They have great instructors. Instructor Coleman and Instructor Thomas really encourage you. You know, they push you beyond what you think your capabilities are. I didn't think I could do as many push-ups as I did. I didn't think I could whip that darn rope as many times as I did, but I did it. I'm pretty excited about that. I've got 5 more weeks of the program, and I think I can achieve my goals. I've had a total knee reconstruction less than 2 years ago. I've had shoulder surgery, and I was still able to do most of the exercises. There were some that I couldn't do, but what they did was they worked with me to change the program a little bit, give me different exercises, give me different things to do. So I'm not doing exactly what everyone else is doing, but I'm still working the same muscle groups, and I'm pretty excited about that. I've got 5 more weeks to go, and I'm going to achieve my goals. And that's all I've got to say.